What is an ASIN? An ASIN, or ASIN, is an Amazon standard identification number, and this is the proprietary number and alphabetical system as well as barcode that you need in order to ship your products into Amazon, for Amazon to store and keep track of your inventory, so on and so forth. This is something that you need to have on your product. The thing is, a lot of people don't know how to do so. This is super simple. What you do is you go into your Seller Central, under inventory. Once you create your listing, you're gonna go ahead and put a UPC in. Now, if you don't know what a UPC is, I'll be breaking this down in another video, but once you put your UPC code into your Amazon Seller Central listing account underneath your product, what it's gonna do is it's gonna generate an ASIN, which is then going to give you that barcode. Now, you can use this barcode to put on your product. That way, when you ship your products to Amazon, now what's gonna happen is the barcode's already on there and Amazon can scan it in when they're receiving your inventory. Now, there's a few different ways that you can apply your ASIN to your packaging. You can have your supplier print it on your packaging. You can also have your supplier print out a label and put it on your packaging, or you can have Amazon actually do it for you for a very small fee. I usually recommend that you have your supplier print it onto your packaging. If you're doing a micro launch and you're in a crunch or on a budget, you can also have them apply the sticker. Usually your supplier is not going to charge you any additional fees to go ahead and do so. All you have to do is ask. For more content and videos like this, make sure that you turn all of the notifications on my Instagram account. That way you're notified of every video, post, and live Q&A that I do. Also, check out more videos on my YouTube channel at Joshua Crisp on YouTube. There's over 100 plus videos similar to this in all around entrepreneurship. And for 50% off all services as well as softwares that AMZ Hunter offers, make sure you check out www.amzhunter.com and use promo code HUNTER50.